Okay, I will admit that I have been getting a bit distracted lately, and the main reason for that is because school kind of just got restarted, and I'm kind of just getting in the groove right now with my workflow and stuff like that, and I guess I just wanted to restart the vlog and stuff like that with a bit of a giveaway. So I guess here's a bit of backstory on that. Okay, so last semester I was helping Alex film his Mini Cooper in the desert with my mini quad, and he was honestly a bit disappointed because he was very obsessed with flat shots, and mini quads, we tilt around when we fly, and we're very good for these floaty, smooth shots, but we just can't do flat shots. And unfortunately, I think the film standard is kind of to have flat shots, but I think FPV can be used a bit better on cinematic shots, just film in general. Well, to get back to the point, what I really wanted you guys to do was just kind of show some interesting creative ways to use FPV in film. And I personally have been filming a bit with the skate team locally, and that's happened. It's a work in progress and stuff, but yeah. Anyways, the main reason for this whole entire thing is because I've been talking a lot with the FPV Freedom Coalition, and one of the greatest problems with legislation that I've seen is that we are kind of viewed as just hobbyists, and I just really want you guys to show some that FPV does have some economic value in film. And basically what I just don't want to happen is I don't want some company like Amazon to just lobby Congress and get us kicked out of the air just like that. And that would just not really be beneficial for all of us. So yeah. Anyways, I bought these Runcam 5s with my own money, and I just want to see what you guys come up with. So I guess that's it. Till next time, I guess.